Have you ever tried to buy something on Google Play and realized the price is higher than expected or your payment just doesn't work? Today, I'm going to show you how people are buying Google Play gift cards cheaper online using Gamivo and whether it's actually safe in 2026.
In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the buying process, explain the risks, and share tips to avoid common mistakes that many beginners make. First, let's talk about what Gamivo actually is. Gamivo is an online digital marketplace where different sellers offer game keys, software licenses, and gift cards from different regions around the world.
Instead of buying directly from official stores, you're purchasing from third-party sellers, which is why prices can sometimes be much lower. Right now, you can find Google Play gift cards for regions like the US, Europe, Japan, Turkey, India, and many more. Some listings even show discounts ranging from 20% all the way up to 70% depending on region and demand.
So the big question is, why are they cheaper? Most of the time, sellers source gift cards from regional promotions or markets where pricing is different, creating price gaps between countries. But cheaper doesn't always mean risk-free, and that's something you must understand before buying.
Now, let's go step by step and see how to buy a Google Play gift card on Gamivo. First, go to the Gamivo website and search for Google Play gift card. You'll immediately notice hundreds of options with different currencies and country labels.
This is extremely important. Google Play cards are region locked. That means a US card only works with a US Google Play account, and a Japanese card only works with a Japanese account.
Many people fail here because they buy the cheapest card without checking compatibility.
Always confirm your Google Play account region before purchasing anything.
Next, choose a seller with a high rating, ideally above 98% positive feedback. Higher ratings usually mean faster delivery and fewer activation problems. Before checkout, carefully review the order page. Gamivo sometimes offers an optional smart subscription service, which you should manually uncheck if you don't want recurring charges. After payment, the gift card code is usually delivered instantly to your account dashboard.
Copy the code and open Google Play on your device. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, then select Redeem Code. Paste your code and confirm.
If your region matches correctly, the balance should appear immediately in your account.
Now let's talk about safety and real expectations. Gamivo is not an official Google store, so disputes may require contacting the seller first.
That's why starting with a small value card is always a smart move.
Testing with a $5 or $10 card can save you from bigger problems later.
Another important tip is to avoid switching account regions frequently, because Google's security system may block redemption attempts. If you plan to use gift cards regularly, keep your account region consistent.
So is Gamivo worth it in 2026?
If you understand regional rules and buy carefully, many users successfully save money using it.
But if you rush for the cheapest option without checking details, you may run into issues.
Overall, it's a useful platform. Just make sure you use it wisely.
If this guide helped you, check the link in the description to see current deals and compare prices yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more honest digital buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.